How to unlock your TSB online banking account. TSB Bank is UK-based retail bank offering a range of personal banking services, including saving accounts, loans, mortgages, and credit cards. Have you been locked out of your TSB online banking account? Don't worry. Follow these simple steps to unblock your account and regain access. Click the Login button. If you're unable to log in, click on Having trouble logging in. This will guide you through recovering access. Next, select the option to recover your account. You will need to verify your identity to continue. Enter the information requested, such as your account number, date of birth, and security details. TSB will send a verification code to your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code to proceed. Once verified, you'll be able to reset your password and regain full access to your online banking. That's it, you've now unblocked your TSB online banking account. For any further issues, don't hesitate to contact TSB customer service. You can contact TSB Bank customer service for general inquiries in the UK is 0345975858. If you're calling from abroad, you can reach them at 442-0328 for 1578. Thanks for watching.